Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. In this video, I'm gonna explain some of the most important general science question. For each of the question, guess the right answer and at the end of the video, comment your score. So without any delay, let's get started. First question. Brass is an alloy of option A copper and aluminium, option B copper and steel, option C copper and zinc, option D copper and nickel. Guys, the correct answer is option C, copper and zinc. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, Cu plus Zn. Coming to the composition of copper and zinc, they can be varied to produce different kinds of brass. But the general composition is 67% copper and 33% zinc. Second question. Which element is used in integrated circuits of computers? Option A iron, option B magnesium, option C aluminium, option D silicon. Guys, the answer for this question is option D silicon. Silicon is the basic material used to make computer chips, transistors, diodes, and other electronic circuits. Silicon is used because it can be used as either an insulator or a semiconductor. Third question. What is the pH value of human blood? Option A 13, option B 7.4, option C 4.8, and option D 0. Guys, the answer for this question is option B 7.4. The blood pH value's normal range is from 7.35 to 7.45 for a healthy person, and hence the answer is 7.4. Next question. What is the longest bone in human body? Option A femur, option B sternum, option C scapula, and option D stapes. Guys, the correct answer for this question is option A femur. There are 206 bones in the human body, and the longest bone is the femur with 46 centimeters in length, and it is located in the upper part of our legs, that is the thigh area. And here option D stapes is the smallest bone in our body. Next question. Study of flowers is called as option A ornithology, option B anthology, option C pomology, and option D palynology. Guys, the correct answer for this question is option B anthology. Anthology is the study of flowers and flowering plants. And the other options like ornithology is the study of birds, palynology is the study of pollen grains, pomology is the study of fruits and their cultivation. Next question. Who discovered that the plants have life? Option A Robert Hooke, option B J.C. Bose, option C Paul Burke, option D George Shell. Guys, the correct answer for this question is option B J.C. Bose. Jagadish Chandra Bose. He is an Indian scientist and he was the first to prove that plants are like any other life form in 1901. Next question. Which plant is called as Herbal Indian Doctor? Option A Tulasi, option B Amla, option C Neem, and option D Mango. The correct answer for this question is option B Amla. Amla is called as Indian Herbal Doctor. Amla has some great properties which helps in supporting digestion and immune system. And it is also called as Indian gooseberry. Next question. Which of these colors cannot be distinguished by color-blind person? Option A black and yellow, option B red and green, option C yellow and white, and option D green and blue. Guys, the correct answer for this question is option B red and green. Color blindness is of three types. First one, protonomaly, it is a reduced sensitivity to red light. And the next one is deuteronomaly, it is a reduced sensitivity to green light. And the last one is trigonomaly, it is a reduced sensitivity to blue light. But it is extremely rare. Hence, the answer is red and green. Next question. From which part of a plant turmeric is obtained? Option A stem, Option B, fruit. Option C, root. Option D, flowers. Guys, the correct answer for this question is option A, stem. Turmeric is obtained from the dried rhizome of the plant, which is nothing but the stem. Next question. What does vinegar contains? Option A, 100% acetic acid. Option B, 10 to 20% acetic acid. Option C, 1% acetic acid. And option D, 7 to 8% of acetic acid. Guys, the correct answer for this question is option D, 7 to 8% of acetic acid. Vinegar consists of acetic acid, water, and small amounts of other chemicals. And the distilled vinegar consists of 5 to 8% of acetic acid. The chemical formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. Moving to next question. Who is the father of Indian nuclear science? Option A, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Option B, Dr. H.J. Baba. Option C, Vikram Sarabhai. And option D, Dr. Anil Kakodkar. Guys, the correct answer for this question is option B, Dr. H.J. Baba. Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba. He was the father of Indian nuclear science and he is a great nuclear physicist. Next question. Which acid is known as king of chemicals? Option A, carbonic acid. Option B, citric acid. Option C, sulfuric acid. And option D, nitric acid. Guys, the correct answer for this question is option C, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4, is called as king of chemicals because it is most reactive and it is used in the preparation of very large number of chemicals. Next question. In digestion, proteins are converted into option A, fatty acids. Option B, glucose. Option C, amino acids. Option D, maltose. Guys, the right answer is option C, amino acids. During digestion, proteins are converted into amino acids. Next question. The blood glucose level is commonly expressed as option A, mm of Hg. Option B, milligram per deciliter. Option C, parts per million. And option D, gram per liter. The correct answer is option B, milligram per deciliter. Blood glucose level is commonly expressed as milligram per deciliter. And the final question. Which element compounds causes Minimata disease? Option A, mercury. Option B, cadmium. Option C, cobalt. Option D, nickel. Guys, the correct answer for this question is option A, mercury. Minimata disease is a neurological disease caused by mercury poisoning. It is mainly caused due to industrial pollution. That's it for this video, guys. In case if you haven't watched the previous parts, the link is in my description. Please check it out, and for more such questions, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from me.